Today we are going to be solving LeetCode problem number 53, the maximum subarray. Given an integer array nums, find the contiguous subarray containing at least one number which has the largest sum and return its sum. A subarray is a contiguous part of an array. So for our first example, if we have this array of nums, our output would be 6 because the sum of these numbers right here is just 6. For a second example, we can see that if we have an array with just one element, here that would just be 1, then our output would be 1. But we can also see with example 3 that if we have this array, then our largest sum can be the sum of just the entire array, and here that is 23. To solve this problem, there are two approaches we can take. The divide and conquer approach, which has a time complexity of O of n log n, or a linear approach that is O of n time complexity. This problem is great for demonstrating the power of divide and conquer. However, the solution is better when we just use the linear one. So that's the one we're going to use. So to do this linear solution, we're going to have current sum and we're going to have a max sum. And they're both going to equal the nums, 0th element. And then we're going to say for num in nums, starting at the first element, going through the rest of the array, we're going to say the current sum is going to equal the max of the current sum and 0. And then we're just going to add that number to it. And then we're going to have the max sum. And that's just going to be the max of the max sum and the current sum that we just calculated. And then we just return the max sum. As you can see, this is a pretty good solution. Our time complexity, as I said, is O of n, and our space complexity is just O of 1. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to the Quant Bear.